Hello everybody, I got a new camera. It's Olympus Stylus SH-50. I just want to share with you. It's gonna be a very short unboxing video. Let me open this. Let me read first. Camera has 16 megapixel CMOS and 24x zoom and 48x SR zoom. Sorry. There is here. There's a worldwide warranty comes with it, so it's just one paper, and there's a CD, a driver comes with the CD. I guess it's inside. Let me read. Yes, and it's also quick start guide comes with the camera, and this is power cord, power cable, and the battery is here, and this is USB cable, and this is a pen for touch screen, and strap, and has also actual camera. Let me open this that you guys can see it. And this is the camera. So it's not the best one out there, but it's pretty cheap and it works well. So enjoy it. Thank you.